Hi, coaches. Welcome to using motions and shifts to disguise plays. This is a whole course that's built on how to signal in, how to develop, how to move your players to gain an advantage. There's a lot of topic and discussion going on out there in the world of football, trying to be more like Matt Canada and how you move players around and shift players and do those kinds of things. This is a course that's going to teach you how to do that in a systematic way that is very efficient for your team. So it's not going to create a whole lot of extra work for you or extra verbiage for your kids. We're just going to build it into what we already do as our no huddle calls, our no huddle signals that come in. And we're going to just teach you how to do all those things. I'm Coach Mike Rowe. I'm the head coach at Rocori High School in Minnesota. You can follow me on Twitter at Coach Mike Rowe. Um, One thing always, if you purchase this course or get this course, hey, make sure you write a review at the end. Coaches really like to see that other coaches are very interested in it. Um, just give it what you think it deserves, and we appreciate you and everything that you do in the game of football.